वेलकम जय हिंद डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे NDA SSB मॉक इंटरव्यू ऑफ अर्पित अवस्थी, जिन्होंने 11 SSB इलाहाबाद से ND 151 कोर्स के लिए अपना रिकमेंडेशन बैक किया है। ये इंटरव्यू सर शिशिर दीक्षित जी ने लिया है। इस इंटरव्यू के माध्यम से आप सीख पाएंगे किस प्रकार के प्रश्न पूछे जाते हैं NDA SSB इंटरव्यू के दौरान और कैसे उत्तर उनका होना चाहिए। आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, अर्पित अवस्थी की ट्रेनिंग के दौरान ही शिशिर सर ने मल्टीपल टाइम्स अर्पित को बताया था कि वो SSB पोटेंशियल लाइक मटेरियल है और वो रिकमेंड जरूर होगा, और हुआ भी कुछ ऐसा ही। तो आइए देखते हैं एक और कैंडिडेट का मॉक इंटरव्यू, और मुझे आशा है कि आप इससे जरूर सीखेंगे। अंत में आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा ये जरूर शेयर करिएगा।
May I come in, sir?
Yes, sir. Please come.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to Centurion Social Selection Board.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Arpit, you completed your 12th from APS.
Yes, sir.
Why you haven't joined NCC?
Sir, I was selected, sir, but at that period of time, I was playing cricket and I was doing well, and as well, and my mother's condition was also not well, so I have to look after her as well in 9th standard, sir.
No, I am not convinced. I think just for the sake of comfort, you didn't join NCC.
No, sir, as the timing was a little bit of countering it, because I have to join the cricket academy at 3 o'clock, and after doing the classes, there was NCC camp, so I have to go to my home, sir, at that period of time and play cricket also.
You have played cricket, okay? Previously, you have played cricket, you have spent time playing cricket. What you have achieved?
Sir, from 2 years of hard work, sir, I got the captaincy of my Jyoti Cricket Club, sir. I also represented Abhijit Sinha Cricket Academy, sir, which is situated in Gomti Nagar, and I was also representing my school in APS Udhampur. And recently, sir, I have also been selected in my college team, sir, which is BBD League, sir.
Arpit, let me know your higher education starting from 9th onwards. How many problems you have faced during that process? Who told you about NDA first time? When did you apply for NDA? What about your NDA written result? How many times you wrote NDA written exam? How many times you cleared NDA written? Tell me other exams like JEE or other Agniveer exams that you have, if you have qualified any exams. Also, let me know why you could not qualify NDA in your first attempt. How did you prepare for written exam? Also, tell me how did you prepare for SSB interview. And also, I am interested in knowing if you are not selected in this attempt, what is your next plan, your career plans of 2023, and also otherwise, if you don't get recommendation in this attempt as it is your last attempt.
Yes, sir.
What is your other career objectives in your life?
Sir, starting from my 9th, sir, I secured 67% in my 9th standard. Then in my 10th, sir, I secured 88.2%. Then in my 11th, sir, I secured 80%. And in my 12th, sir, I secured 81.2%. And for my ND written attempt, sir, I gave 2 attempts in which my written was not cleared. And that attempt, sir, was a little bit of coinciding with my board examination.
First attempt, first time when you wrote NDA exam?
Sir, when I was appearing for the term 2 of the 12th class 12 board examination, sir.
That is NDA 2 2021.
Yes, sir.
You could not qualify written.
Yes, sir.
Then,
sir, I was not able to qualify the 3 attempts. Then at the 4th
what about NDA 1 2022?
Sir, I was somewhere lacking in the GAT part, sir.
What about NDA 2 2022?
Sir, NDA 2 I prepared a lot, sir, but I was just cut short with 6 marks, sir.
It reflects that you could not qualify NDA written 3 times. It means you're not hardworking.
Sir, I did a lot of hard work as per whatever my capabilities were, and I was also inclined in sports as well. I always managed whatever I want to achieve in my life, sir, and I gave my 100% in each and every attempt, sir. But somewhere in the GAT portion and the mathematics portion, as my maths was little weak, sir, but I gradually improved my mathematics skills, sir, as for now.
Tell me what changes you have made from your last NDA written, that was NDA 2 2022, to latest one, that is NDA 1 2023. What changes you have made that this time you were able to qualify NDA written examination, and also tell me how many written marks you secured in this attempt.
Sir, in my previous attempt, I was scoring somewhere at 310, and my lacking was, sir, was in the algebra portion, sir, somewhere, and I self-analyzed it. I worked really hard on my algebra portion, as well as I got aware from various GAT portion, so that I can perform well in the physics, chemistry portion as well. And then in my NDA 2023, sir, I am securing 387 marks, and I have increased my marks just by putting some extra efforts on the mathematics and the physics portion, sir.
How did you prepare for NDA written? And also, please answer all remaining questions. Already I have asked.
Sir, I have prepared NDA written examination from online sources, as well as I took guidance from my seniors who are presently in NDA, sir. And about the previous questions which you have asked, sir, I would like to say that I have told my lack wherever I lack in my previous attempts. And coming on to my higher education, sir, right now I am doing a Bachelor of Business Administration in Logistics and Supply Chain Management from BBD University, Lucknow. I will be completing it in 2025, sir.
It is BCom?
No, sir, it is a Bachelor of Business Administration, sir.
BBA?
Yes, sir.
It is BBA. Why you are pursuing BBA if you are willing to join armed forces?
Sir, as for the requirements, sir, armed forces never look on what you are choosing as a stream. It looks upon what you are aiming for, sir. That's why I think that my interest was in logistics part, was in supply chain and in these type of business activities. So I took that, sir, whatever my interest was.
If you get recommendation after joining Indian Army, what kind of roles and responsibilities you are looking forward to perform?
Sir, I want to be a good combat leader, sir, a person who motivates the troops and also look after them, and who is a motivating factor for not only the troops, sir, but also from my village, as my village has given a lot of soldiers, sir, but I want to become the first officer to coming from a small village, sir.
Your village is Paroli?
Yes, sir.
District Hardoi. How
Yes.
many times you got opportunity to visit your village?
Sir, previous year, sir, I visited there, met my grandfather, and it was 2 days, sir.
Who is MLA at your place?
Sir, my MLA is, sir, Mr. Rajeshwar Singh, sir, is the MLA of our place.
You haven't answered my previous questions.
Sir, my previous question, sir, if to answer that, if I am not recommended in this attempt, sir, I am very optimistic and I have given my 100% each and every task, sir, of the SSB, and I am optimistic that I will get recommended from this board. And
Tell me 20 areas where you need improvements.
Sir, first area will be that I want to increase my physical fitness, sir. The second thing, sir, I want to write at a good speed, sir. My writing skills are not that good.
How many kgs you carry overweight?
I think, sir, I'm around 8 kgs, sir. I want to do
8 kg. You are cricketer also, you play cricket.
Yes, sir.
In the sports, and also you have inclination. Then also you are not keeping yourself physically fit. Again I am telling you that you are not putting hard work in your life.
Sir, I'm putting.
Second example.
Sir, I'm putting hard work, but I'm a batsman, sir, and it needs more technique, sir. It need and we need sprint, sir.
Require your good physical fitness.
Sir, it requires, sir, but I am good in sprint, sir. I complete 100 meters in 12 seconds, sir. But I want to increase 12 seconds, sir.
Okay, let me know your routine of working days.
Sir, routine of working days, sir. I wake up at 5 o'clock. Then I get ready, sir, and I complete my college assignments at the morning. Then I get ready for my college, sir. I leave the college. I leave for my college at 8:15 or something. I reach there, and after the studies, sir, at 3 o'clock I reach my home, and at 4 o'clock I report at the cricket ground, and at 7 o'clock I reach my home, sir. And after reaching my home, sir, I prepare for my SSB and do my dinner, and then I sleep at 11 o'clock, sir.
4 to 7, once you return from your cricket academy after 7.
Yes, sir.
At what time you return?
Sir, I return at 7:15, sir.
7 or 7:15. Then what do you do?
Sir, I prepare for the most of the psychology portion, and I also go through from the online sources about the GTO and all the interview questions, sir.
At what time you have lunch or breakfast and dinner?
Sir, lunch I am having at my college, sir, and after coming from, I'm having my breakfast in my college, sir. And then after coming from my college, I have a lunch and then directly go to my cricket academy, sir.
Okay, so you return at home by 7:15.
Yes, sir.
Let me know your routine. At what time you go for the dinner? At what time?
Sir, I go to my dinner for 9 o'clock, sir.
And at what time you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock, sir.
When do you use mobile phone?
Sir, my mobile phone period is very less. I don't get a lot of time, sir. In the SSB preparation, I use mobile phone because I have to go through the online sources to get some ideas about the SSB.
When you go for the self-study for your graduation BBA?
Sorry, sir, I don't get it.
When you go for the self-study and your assignments?
Sir, at morning, sir. In morning, sir, I get 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yes,
at
sir.
What time? From
5 to 8.
5 to 8?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise in the morning you don't go for any physical fitness or anything?
No, sir, because I have a very hectic routine of then at afternoon, sir, I have to run. So I think that it is covered, sir.
So what is your ultimate goal plans in your life?
So my ultimate goal plan is to become an army officer, sir.
And other goals?
And to ensure that I give a part of my life to my country, sir, and my share is contributed.
Any other goal plans in your life?
So right now there is not a goal plan other than this. My whole focus is on this, sir.
What is the rank of your father?
Sir, my father is Subedar Major, sir.
Subedar Major. Where he is posted currently?
Sir, he is posted at Mamoon Military Station, Pathankot.
Pathankot. So still, what age you stayed with your father?
Sir, till 11th, sir, and because he was working, sir, so I don't get a lot of time spending with him, sir.
Arpit, let me know your bonding with your sister. Tell me how's bonding with your parents. What sort of bonding you share with the parents last time when you shared any kind of routine life problem with your father or mother? How did you resolve that problem? Who helped you more in your routine life problems or contingencies, whatever you face in your life? If it is your father or mother?
So my bonding with my sister is very good, sir. She is very hardworking and have a very good rate. So my sister's name is Namrata Awasthi, sir.
Namrata. Okay.
Yes, sir. And right now she is preparing for the NEET examination, and I do all the help which is from my side. And coming on to the bonding with my parents, sir.
Why you haven't convinced your sister for pursuing aspiring to join NDA, as it is also golden opportunity?
At the end, sir, she will be joining the Indian Army only because her dream college is Armed Forces Medical College, sir. So serving at AMC course, sir, it is good, sir.
Do you also help your sister in her education and also towards her professional career?
Sir, as I am not that qualified in the NEET portion, but I ensure that each and every help that she don't get a lot of stress in her life in preparation. So I help each and everything, sir, that can be possible from me, sir.
So she also helps you, and what sort of bonding you have with your sister?
She sings good, so I help him that she gets a good listener. I listens to him. So that's the thing, sir, which makes
any argument, any kind of fighting or any kind of misunderstanding that took place recently?
Sir, argument.
Can you tell me, just share me one occasion when you along with your sister had some misunderstanding?
Misunderstanding was there was a milk, sir, which was put in a pot, and due to something we were playing or something, and she was running, so that felt, sir. And then our mother scolded us a lot, and she was asking that who has done it, but both of them were silent, sir.
I think you have prepared very smartly for SSB preparation. So just I would like to know, how did you prepare for SSB interview this time?
Sir, I have joined the Centurion Defence Academy, sir, and they have given me opportunity to self-analyze myself and to get the areas where I am weak, and I am working on it, sir.
Why you have joined coaching? As your father is also serving in an army, why you haven't asked your father to guide, so that your father is also having rich experience in army?
Yes, sir.
Then he should have also guided you without joining any coaching.
So my father has guided me, but his time, sir, his main focus is his unit, as it's his primary task and the responsibility which is given by the government of India. And for my preparation, sir, I referred Centurion Defence Academy because of their previous selection as well, and the training which they put in a particular candidate to ensure that he gets recommendation from any board.
So what 3 things you have learned after joining Centurion Defence Academy?
So the first thing, sir, it is that you have to be confident in whenever you put in a podium. You need to have good communication skills. I increased my communication skills at there. And second thing, sir, you have to be sympathy towards other. You need sympathy towards other. And third thing, sir, which I learned is I interacted with a lot of people, sir. That also increased a lot of inquisitiveness in me, sir, in knowing what about how the persons coming from different backgrounds are opting for Indian Army as a career, sir. This was a motivating factor for me, sir.
Why you secured less percentage in class 12, that is only 81.2 percentage?
Sir, at that time, sir, my mother was analyzed with vitamin B12 deficiency, sir, and my father was not at home. I was giving the task to handle each and everything, and I was also playing cricket, sir. At that period, sir, it was a little difficult, sir, but I managed although.
How you were taking responsibility to ensure that your mother recovered soon and that overcome that deficiency of the vitamin
B12, sir.
12.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was in constant touch with the doctor, sir. I took his number and he was very polite. He gave me the number that whenever you need it, and he's also an army officer, sir. I got my mother treated at the command hospital, Lucknow, sir, and I got a lot of support from the officers there. And the second thing, sir, I also ensured that each and every groceries and the vegetables are there at home, so that my mother don't needs to care about what there in home and what is not.
In absence of your father, as he is out of station.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 3-4 occasions recently when you help your family in absence of your father, so that your mother never feels that your father is out of station. How you took over responsibilities?
Sir, so my father was a good cleaner of home, sir. He knows how to organize. So I learned that skill from my mother also, sir. Because my mother is also well versed and she is a very organized person. So I got the task to always, in every Sunday, sir, there is a washing of our utensils and everything, sir, which take place. And the second thing, sir, to go for vegetable shopping, sir, which is because it is little far, sir. For my mother to travel, it is not that convenient. So, and third thing, sir, I always took my sister to her school and drop her, sir. Okay.
Arpit, let me know, why should I select you?
Sir, I fulfill all the requirements of the armed forces, sir. And
no, you are not fulfilling the requirement. You are overweight by 8 kg.
Sir, I am not overweight. My BMI is good, but I want to attain the maximum amount of fitness given by God, sir, to a human. That's my aim, sir.
Tell me, convince me more, why should I select you?
And second thing, sir, I have a capability to lead men and motivate, as I am a good motivator, sir, and my friends also mention me as a little Maheshwari, sir, sometimes. So, I am a good motivator. I am a team player, sir. It was mentioned by my coach who is playing cricket, sir. I am selfless in nature.
You have also interest about reading Indian Army?
Yes, sir, I have interest.
Okay. So, can you share me something about the Field Marshals of Indian Army?
Sir, there are two Field Marshals, sir. First is Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa, sir, who was from Rajputana Rifles, sir. Rajput Regiment. And second one is, sir, Field Marshal Shyam Manakshaw. He was from Gurkha Rifles.
Okay. Why they both were awarded as Field Marshal?
So first was Field Marshal Shyam Manakshaw. The role he played in the 1971 war was exceptional, sir. And the whole of a country approach, sir, to give him the rank of a Field Marshal. And after him, Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa got the rank of Field Marshal, sir, as he was the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me something about Major General Ian Cardozo?
Sir, Major General Ian Cardozo was the one who lost one of his legs, sir, in a mine blast.
When?
And during it was, sir, I think.
Which year?
It was during, sir, 1970 something. I'm not able to recall the operation, sir. Okay. But recently a book is written, sir.
He is from which regiment?
He was from Gurkha, sir.
Gurkha.
Yes, sir.
Which tagline of Gurkha regiment? War cry.
War cry, sir. Jai Ma Kali Ayo Gurkhali, sir. Is the war cry of Gurkha regiment.
How many? And do you have any specific choice of joining some regiment?
Sir, recently it's not, but I am a little bit inclined towards the Gurkha Rifles.
Gurkha Rifles only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many gallantry award receivers are representing this regiment?
Sir, gallantry award, sir. One is Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey. Second one is, sir, Captain G.S. Salaria. And sir, Ashok Chakra awardee, sir, is Second Lieutenant Puneet Nath Dutt. Right now I am able to recall these. And sir, there is one more.
What is your father's regiment?
My father is in Corps of Signals, sir.
What are the roles and responsibilities of this regiment?
So the role and responsibility of core and signals is to provide a communication strength to the Indian Army, sir. And recently it has developed a Sigma application, which is basically for all the personnel of the Indian Armed Forces, so that they can cut their population from WhatsApp and sharing documents in that region to a Sigma application, sir.
Okay. Other roles and responsibilities of this regiment, do you know?
Yes, sir. If they are also termed as information warriors, sir. Right now, the changing scenario is like that information war is taking place at a greater rate.
So, a major mode of communication that Indian Army use, devices, equipments, do you know?
Sir, sorry,
name
sir.
them?
I don't know the name of specific devices, sir.
Have you heard about the walkie-talkie or Motorola set?
Walkie-talkie is used by the forces, sir.
Yes. How it works?
I don't know.
Even from the far place, if you are at the far place, if I use this Motorola, I can easily communicate with you without using my mobile phone. How it works?
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
What is frequency that? What is mode of frequency on which that Motorola, as we operate, or Indian Army uses? You know something about HF frequency?
No, sir.
Okay, now tell me 5 recent developments that Indian Army implemented, especially in the northeast region of India.
So northeast, sir, right? We know AFCAT is there. So recently, many states have argued that you have to retake the AFCAT and ensure that these these roles are played by the CAPFs. But the Indian Army has ensured that they will cut down their troops from the northeast sector. And the second thing, sir, they have also ensured that the colonial practice, which our Prime Minister mentioned in a speech, that colonial practice needs to go away from the army. So it's also in working, sir. Right, the buggies are getting removed from the army. And the third thing is a common uniform for the brigadier rank of the Indian Army, sir. To ensure.
What is my question? I am not asking current affair of Indian Army. I have asked you recent development which took place in the northeast region of Indian Army. Can you tell me 2 or 3 developments?
So the development mostly is done by the Border Road Organization, sir, which is
no, that is not. That is BRO. That is a different organization. I am asking the implementation initiated by Indian Army, especially in the northeast sector. I will give you one example, that integration of ACAS missile in the most of the units to ensure the low level threat. That's so that we will be able to combat well the low level threat,
yes, sir,
against the China.
Yes, sir. 2 divisions are placed, sir. 2 artillery divisions are placed and they are moved to the northeast. I know this, sir.
Any other information you have?
Yes, sir. The governor of Arunachal Pradesh is now a retired Lieutenant General, sir. And most of the and the previous governors was also Brigadier B.D. Mishra, sir, I recall. And right now is Sir Lieutenant General Parnik, sir. So that sometimes people say that all the experts that putting a military officer in that region is of utmost importance on the post of governor, sir.
Who is Governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Anandiben Patel, ma'am.
Arpit, if you are not recommended, if you do not get recommendation in this SSB, what is your next plan? As it is your last attempt.
Sir, I've given my 100%.
You have also secured very less marks, that is 380 in written exam. So there is also a scope of getting merit out. What is your next plan?
Sir, but I will secure good marks in SSB, sir.
Assume that you do not get recommendation. So everyone must be having backup plan. What is your backup plan?
So my backup plan is only Indian Army, sir.
How? Your attempt will be over, all India attempts will be over. Why not? You have appeared in JEE exam?
Sir, it was not my interest, sir. I am not interested in the JEE.
But Indian Army offers you to join through Army Tech and Navy Tech. Were you not aware about this fact?
I am aware, sir, but as my stream is commerce with mathematics, sir, I am not eligible to write JEE exam.
The compulsory stream must be from
Yes,
PCM.
PCM, sir.
So you play cricket. What is your expertise in cricket?
Sir, I am a captain, sir.
Your captain.
Yes,
You're
sir,
all
I am a
rounder?
batsman. I am a batsman and I do part-time bowling, sir, as a right arm off break.
Okay. How, like if you want to spin a ball, tell me what principle is applied? How ball gets spin when you release the ball from your hand?
It's mostly of the grip, sir, and it's a major factor of line and length, sir.
No. Tell me science behind it. How the ball gets released and how it gets spin?
Sir, it is because of the rough side and the shinier side.
What is
sir.
Magnus effect?
Sir, I'm not able to recall that right now.
As a captain of your Jyoti Cricket Club,
Yes,
have
sir.
you faced any problem? And if yes, then how you resolve that problem? Can you share me 2-3 occasions where you faced some difficulty?
Sir, I haven't faced any major difficulty. There was also a little bit of challenges comes in every.
Tell me happiest and saddest moment of your life.
Sir, coming on to the happiest moments, sir, all the moments which I've spent it with my friends and family are the happiest moments of my life. The saddest moment, sir, when I was not able to clear the NDA 2022, in which I was very prepared and I just got short by 6 marks. It was a little sad moment, but I gained confidence and started preparing again for the NDA 2023.
According to you, how government is doing, how is law and order at your place? Encounter in front of the judge, in the civil court, okay, and also that Honorable Chief Minister of Yogi ji claims that we are having very strict law and order. Then previously also the encounter of Mr. Atiq Ahmed.
Yes.
So what do you think, that Gunda Raj is still prevailing in UP, or the situation is improved as compared to earlier?
Sir, the situation is improved a little bit, and it is improving day by day, sir. And
I think that is the most pathetic example. Encounter took place where under the police custody, when accused was there at the time of hearing in front of the judge. If this kind of criminal conspiracy takes place and the encounter is being done in front of the Sasan and Prasasan, then what is? I think it is of no use.
Sir, it is a matter of concern, sir, but I trust the authorities, sir, which are looking after it, and I believe in my leaders, sir, that they will take the necessary steps to stop this, sir.
What are the 5 problems, according to you, government needs to focus more in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh?
First thing, sir, I will mention the potholes, sir, and the roads, and the second thing, sir, a lack of street lights in the area.
No, all the first and second problems, I don't think, because I think I also visit in Lucknow, street light problem is not there. Where you have faced the street light problem?
Sir, it is in the areas where Lucknow outer is situated, and as Lucknow is developing more and more.
The place where you visited in Lucknow, where you experienced this kind of a street light problem?
Sir, it was in Dubagga, sir.
Dubagga. If you want to resolve this problem, what is the appropriate authority where you will write application?
Sir, I will write an application to Municipal Commissioner, and I will take sign of all the persons who are there.
Is Lucknow mayor currently?
Sir, she is a female, sir, and
Recently election took place?
yes, sir, and her name is, sir, Mrs. Shushma Kharakwal, sir.
How many army units are located in Lucknow, as you are from Lucknow? Tell me.
Sir, I don't know about specific army units, but I know, sir, that Gurkha Rifles Regimental Center is in Lucknow, and Corps of Signals is in Lucknow, sir, and we also have a regiment of one of Brigade of Guards is also there, sir. Okay. Brigade of Guards is there. Okay. I have seen these regiments, sir, in there.
How your father assist you to improve? How many areas where he needs improvement? What is his observation for you? Suggestions?
So his observation on me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, he just tells me, sir, to be mentally and physically fit all the time and to work on those areas. You will get automatically success.
Okay. Any other areas where he is seeking improvement from your side?
No, sir. There are no other areas.
Okay. How many friends you have?
Sir, I have a lot of group. Of friends.
4, 5, 6 friends.
Sir, first is Raj. There is Monty. Sir, there is Akash. There is Sir Suraj, Nimesh, and Saurav, and there is Saurabh Pratap and Saurav Adhikari, sir.
You don't have female friends?
I have female friends, sir, and their name is Prakriti, and one name is Nisha. I have right now. I am in touch with them only.
What Raj is doing?
Sir, Raj is right now is studying in my college only. So and he was also from APS Nehru Road.
What Monty is doing?
Sir, Monty is right now playing, sir, and but just making his career in football, sir.
And what Akash is doing?
Sir, Akash is also in my college, sir.
And Suraj?
Sir, Suraj is preparing for the civil services, sir.
Okay, Nimesh?
Sir, Nimesh is also in my college, and right now he is preparing for the UPSC.
What about Saurabh and Saurabh Adhikari?
So Saurav and Saurav Adhikari are one of my college friends, one of my school friends. Right now they have moved to Delhi University.
No, none of your friends could qualify NDA written and NDA SSB.
Sir, written was qualified by Akash.
They could not join.
Yes, no sir, the SSB was one of the barrier for them. Akash gave one NDA SSB sir, but he was unable to.
Who is best among them?
All of them are best sir. And
If I ask you to call one name, with whom you spend more time?
Sir, I spend time with all of them sir. I don't differentiate between.
You don't have any single best friend. Or are you best friend?
Sir, a best friend who is very closely related to me is Rohit sir.
Okay, so now Rohit. But you haven't mentioned about Rohit as your best friend?
Sir, because he is too close sir. They are just friends and you haven't asked about best friend.
What Rohit is doing?
Sir, Rohit is preparing for the civil services sir, and he is preparing that because sir his flat foot is a problem. So in NDA medicals it will be a
Okay, what are the three areas where he needs improvement in you?
Sir, he sometimes just get overexcited, so he needs to be little calm more. In new things he get overexcited sometimes. Only things.
No, how he suggests you for the three areas where he need improvement in you?
He has not suggested me till yet sir, and in the areas he thinks that I am a good person and I am morally correct always, and he thinks sir you don't need any improvement, you are yourself a good person.
If you are not selected in this attempt, you are planning to write CDS examination, right?
Sir, I am hoping that you will select.
If you get recommendation before joining NDA, what 5 changes you will improve in you?
First is sir, I will just reduce my weight, get physically fit. Second, I will learn swimming.
Why you haven't reduced your weight before coming in SSB?
Sir, there was a lack of time, but I have reduced sir 10 kg weight sir. I have reduced sir because my previous weight was very high, sir, 74. Now I am 64 sir.
Okay, tell me second thing that you will work.
Second thing sir, I will learn horse riding sir, as NDA offers horse riding.
Next.
Third thing sir, I will be learning swimming sir, as I am not a good swimmer. And fourth thing sir, I want to be a consistent reader sir before joining a National Defence Academy. So my consistency should be increased in reading.
Tell me fifth one.
Fifth one sir, I don't think sir I have a fifth.
Okay, Arpit, at last you would like to say something, or would like to apprise me with something?
No sir.
With all the best, you may leave.
Thank you sir.
See, your Indian Army knowledge is okay, no problem at all. Indian Army की knowledge में problem एक जगह पे आ रही है 11 SSB में तुमको इस पे ग्रिल करेंगे वो ये जो तुम्हारे मार्क्स है ना जैसे तुमने इस बार क्वालिफाई भी किया तो वीकनेस में इसको पहले नंबर पे डाल दो कि सर I lagged in clearing some competitive exams. I would not make a strategy. Although sir I was putting hard work. Later sir I realized that I need to work more in strategies and now I have learned this, but I think it is one of my weaknesses. पहले ही एडमिट कर लेना इसको, ठीक है, और इसको तुम माई ओपिनियन में लिख भी देना. एट टाइम्स आई फील दैट आई लैक दैट स्ट्रैटेजी इन क्लियरिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. नाउ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट. रिसेंटली आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड इट. दूसरा पॉइंट है
सन 2022 में भारत में सर्वाधिक सिलेक्शन देने के बाद अब सन 2023 में बारी है अपने ही रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ने की. आप भी बन सकते हैं हमारे इस कारवां का हिस्सा, हमारी ऐतिहासिक कामयाबी का इस हिस्सा. आज ही संपर्क करें हमारे ऑफिशियल नंबर पर और ज्वाइन करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस अकेडमी.